Hey, traders, want to give you an update here on the SPX iron condor I've been dealing with. Today I rolled it three times, uh, and the first time it cost me a dime, $10. The market was going up, so I rolled the calls up, rolled the puts up. It cost me $10 the second time. Market was going down, so I rolled it and collected $60, 60 cents, $60. And the third time, I just as the market has reversed again, and I've rolled it up. It cost me 20. So overall, all together, I have collected $1.71 in premium. So that's where we stand at 11 more minutes to the market close. I'm not going to make any more adjustments today, but uh, we'll just keep fighting with it and see where we get. Good luck to you.